Hi guys, it's me Jill and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share to you how to make iced chocolate. The ingredients: cocoa powder, and fresh milk. Pour cocoa powder into a glass. Then add hot water and stir until cocoa powder is dissolved. Add ice. Using a French press, pour milk, or you can also use a frother or a wire whisk. Pump the plunger up and down until the desired amount of froth builds up. Make sure to pour it on the ice to have a nice layer of milk and chocolate. Enjoy!